Hey everyone, it's your favorite pick instant back again with another exciting video for you all. In this one, I'm going to be giving you my top 5 best baby carrier that are currently available on the market. These products have either helped me a lot in my business or just appeal to me personally. So without further ado, let's get started. Please check out the description below and all of our products that we've included with their respective buy links. At number 5. Osprey Poco. The Osprey Poco Deluxe Backpack Carrier is ideal for adventure-seeking parents that want to bring their children along during the ride. It boasts durable cushion belts, buckles at the hips and chests, and flexible adjustments to provide appropriate support, much like a trekking backpack. There will also be constructed compartments for necessities and a reservoir pouch to keep the drinks. There were a constructed parasol, retractable ankle stirrups, and vent curtains to enable airflow to maintain your youngster comfortable and secure. Please don't forget that this is only suitable for infants that measure at least 16 pounds, unlike some other baby carriers for regular usage. The structured baby carrier includes an aluminum body for compact stability and is made of sturdy nylon. We may adjust the torso by 6 inches to suit a wide range of shapes. There seems to be a wide harness in the rear seat to help preserve your infant in the carrier. During bright days or even for additional security while resting, your child will love the constructed parasol. At number 4. Ergobaby. You can wrap the Ergobaby carrier us to 360 degrees around the body at the back and front, either on the waist. Also, it expands with the newborn to 45 pounds, or 4 years old, without extra equipment. You ought to modify a few buckles and buttons, and they're simple to accomplish and will help you get the right fit. You can use this baby carrier in 4 positions. They are hip carry, back carry, facing out, facing in. Through some kind of sequence of modifications at the waist, shoulders, and forehead, the Ergobaby Omni 360 achieves everything without extra baby padding. Several postures put the child's legs and hips in the optimal M posture, offer good support, and may be worn only with a protective canopy. The back support is excellent, and you may twist the belt for more comfort and support. Even though carrying the baby, it was simple to wear on, remove off, and modify. The removable zipped bag was ideal for storing a mobile, wallet, and keys, and it is affixed in a convenient location. It provides excellent Ergobaby carrier reviews and parental assistance, making it suitable for trips with breastfed children when you won't have to use a stroller. However, keep in mind that it's a little larger, which may be too much for individuals who like a more sleek look. At number 3. ClevrPlus. ClevrPlus's backpack hiking carrier is compact and easy on the pocketbook. It includes a robust metal frame with a pedestal that weighs only 5 pounds and collapses flatter when not used, making it ideal for storing. The buckles, waist belt, and back portion are padded, and there are several compartments for holding bottles, nappies, or other essentials. The best baby carrier backpack measures 30 by 10 by 16 inches and is suited for youngsters as young as 6 months. Whereas it won't hold as much weight as some of its more premium competitors, this will keep your child until they achieve 33 pounds, or around the age of 4, which seems all you require. Another way, this bag offers whatever you want without the high cost. This carrier is ideal for those suffering from back pain because it is lightweight and won't strain your back. You may adjust the baby seat in 3 directions, and you can shift the ankle support towards the most relaxed place for your baby. The backpack seems to be particularly useful if you do not like hitting the backside for the trek duration. A clean drool pad is included, which is crucial for a young one who dribbles while falling asleep. There's no need to acquire any pricey add-ons because of a retractable rainfall, and it offers the sunlight cover. The complete cushion carrier belts, waist belt and spine cushioning provide further relaxation. At number 2. Tula. Baby Tula's baby carrier can accommodate infants weighing as little as 7 pounds and about 45 pounds without an attachment. The seating changes to keep you comfortable during your kids' growth, and once they gain control of their neck and head muscles, you may put them in a rear holding position. The fine mesh screen provides additional airflow and ventilation, which keeps both the user and the infant fresh. This carrier's pure cotton jacket is light and airy, with a large breathable mesh screen and an easy-to-wash collar. You can carry the baby in various positions, like facing outward, facing inside, and back holding. Each posture encourages healthy lumbar and hip development for the baby by providing an organic, optimal posture that is optimum for easy carrying. The cushioned shoulder straps give maximum shoulder and neck support while allowing easy modifications for various users. The wide cushioned waistline aids in weight distribution. Leg slots are soft to maintain the baby comfy. You won't have to worry about your child napping in this carrier because it comes with an adjustable pillow that supports the neck and head as the baby sleeps. At number 1. BabyBjorn. Imagine if you can somehow increase the intimacy of baby wearing as a pleasant method for you and the child. You can use the comfortable BabyBjorn baby carrier made of cold and breezy 3D netting. Baby wearing is feasible for infants and children up to the age of 3 due to the robust leather belt and cushioned sleeves that ease the stress on the shoulders and back. Although there are a variety of styles can choose from, BabyBjorn takes the top rank since it is the more famous choice among families and can be grown with your child from birth to babyhood. It features the essential ergonomically designed for your infant, with an immense back section and broad cushioned straps that provide adequate support for the user. Therefore, the BabyBjorn wrap is perfect for you. It includes 2 distinct elevation levels that allow you to wear your kid from birth to 3 years old. You may switch from holding facing inside or facing outward on your front to carrying on the backside with only a few simple changes. Because your baby is likely to fall asleep in the backpack, young moms will love how simple it is to unbuckle the whole front piece of the carrier and remove their resting baby away. We hope you loved the video and please tell us which products we should review next in our comment section. Thank you for spending time on our video. Please remember that there are links in the description of all products shown today.